tracking together. There we go. They're separating now. The team on the right heading straight down. And watch, one of the groups is actually free. And there, you can see it down on the right side. The bottom jumper is actually inverted. Upside down. Crystal clear, so make some noise with the Patriot jump team. Here comes the brake man, they're hanging on, they're still hanging on, there's the brake. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome them back to Earth with an incredible jump. And they are all special forces, the Patriot jump team.
I don't know about all of you, but it looks like an incredible demonstration of shooting stars in the sky. They are coming down. Have